What if the next drug you take was designed not by a scientist, but by an algorithm? Eli Lilly, one of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies, says artificial intelligence could transform healthcare as profoundly as the iPhone transformed communication, or as the internet reshaped our lives. Today, we're taking you inside this revolution, how AI is already creating new medicines, reshaping clinical trials, and changing the way patients interact with doctors. And most importantly, what it means for you. Let me ask you, would you swallow a pill created by artificial intelligence? Think about it. Drop your answer in the comments before we dive in. Drug discovery has always been slow and expensive. Traditionally, chemists might test thousands or millions of compounds in the hope that one shows promise. But with AI, the process is flipped on its head. Generative AI models can design millions of molecular structures in silico in minutes. They predict how each one might behave in the human body, its toxicity, its effectiveness, even its side effects, long before a single pill is ever made. Eli Lilly is using this technology to accelerate the fight against some of the deadliest diseases: cancer, diabetes, and neurodegenerative disorders. Their partnership with OpenAI even aims to invent new antimicrobials to fight superbugs, drug-resistant pathogens that threaten global health. These are drugs that, without AI, might never have been found at all. The same way AlphaFold cracked protein structures, AI is now cracking open medicine's deepest puzzles. Once a promising compound is discovered, it needs to be tested in humans. That's where clinical trials come in, and where AI makes another huge leap. AI-powered algorithms now analyze patient records to identify the perfect candidates for a trial. No more years wasted searching for volunteers. No more trials failing because the patient pool wasn't diverse enough. Smart wearables and smartphone apps collect data from patients in real time, feeding continuous streams of information back to researchers. Instead of waiting months for trial results, doctors can spot early signals of safety or danger within weeks. Creating a drug is only half the battle. Delivering it, safely, cheaply, and globally, is the other. Here, AI is the invisible backbone. In Eli Lilly's factories, AI predicts when a machine is about to fail, preventing costly shutdowns. Computer vision systems scan pills at lightning speed to guarantee each one meets safety standards. And AI-driven logistics optimize supply chains, crucial for fragile drugs like insulin that must be kept at precise temperatures. The result? Fewer shortages, fewer recalls, and more patients receiving their medicine on time. For patients, AI is becoming a personal health companion. Imagine a chatbot that reminds you when to take your medication, tracks your symptoms, and even predicts when your condition might worsen. For doctors, AI surfaces hidden insights in patient data, medical research, and even social media chatter, helping them choose treatments that are not just effective, but tailored to each individual. In the future, medicine will no longer be one size fits all. It will be one size fits you. Eli Lilly is not alone. Rival giants like Pfizer, Roche, and Novartis are racing to harness AI. Biotech startups like Recursion and Exscientia are betting their entire business models on it. And tech titans, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, are moving into healthcare, armed with massive AI capabilities. Trends like multimodal AI, federated learning, digital twins, and even quantum computing are shaping the next decade of medicine. The future of pharma isn't just about molecules, it's about algorithms. But here's the catch. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If that data is biased, the drugs could be biased too, leaving some groups underserved. Privacy is another ticking time bomb. Patient data must be protected, even as it fuels powerful algorithms. And then there's the black box problem. Even experts often don't fully understand how AI reaches its conclusions. Regulators like the FDA and EMA are scrambling to keep up, writing new rules for AI-driven drugs. But will regulation slow progress or save us from catastrophe? To lead this revolution, Eli Lilly has created the role of Chief AI Officer, appointing Thomas Fuchs, a global leader in AI and health. They've built partnerships with OpenAI, Atomwise, and Verge Genomics. They've invested in robotic labs like Stratios, and they're pushing AI research hubs like Lilly Gateway Labs to the forefront of pharma innovation. But here's the twist. The same AI designing life-saving drugs could also design life-ending viruses. In the wrong hands, the technology that saves humanity could threaten it. That is the paradox of progress. And that's the question we must all face. Comment your answer, and let's see if humanity is ready to trust AI with our lives.